Since the growth and the spread of Islam to almost the parts of Nigeria, there have been glamorous for the Islamization of Nigeria. That is, for Nigeria to become a nation purely governed by Islam laws. The jihad is also called the Holy War. The ideology has given birth to different movements and ideologies in the Islam world. After the popular jihad of 1904, led by Usman Dan Fodio, Nigeria has seen other jihadist movements, usually led by charismatic preachers and public figures who knows how to control the crowds and build followership. By 1945, Mohammed Marwa, who has a Cameroonian, migrated into Nigeria and settled in the north as an Islam leader and began to confront most of the British policies, even after the independence in 1960. He led the jihadist movement known as Martyrism. This is a Hausa word that means he who curses. By the early 1970s, he had gathered a large number of followers, and between 1980 to 1985, they had launched several jihadists uprising in the northern Nigeria. To them, they fought against westernization and state administration. Although Mohammed Marwa was killed in one of the initial riots, his death only worsened the situation and gave birth to more rioting. By the early 2000s, most northern states of Nigeria was a no-go area. There were constant repetitive cycles of clashes and riots between Christians and Muslims over the establishment of Sahara states in northern Nigeria. Since independence till date, there have been different Islamic movements promoting jihad in one form or another. Towards the end of 2001, there was the emergence of some extremely violent group of Islamists that swore allegiance to an Islam teacher called Ustaz Muhammad Yusuf. He was from Yobe State. By 2002, the group had grown and came to be known as Boko Haram, with their headquarters in Maiduguri, the capital of Borno State. To them, the group is fighting for the establishment of a real Muslim society that rejects all things Western. Soon afterwards, as they continued to grow, they were trained, given weapons, and they started to attack police stations and killing police officers. Since then till today, it has continued to be one killing, abduction, bombing, or another. Very recently, the conflict that existed between the nomadics, Fulani and Hausa homesteader has been excavated and transformed into a continuous fight against the entire Christian populations. Before now, this happened only in most northern states of Nigeria, but the case today is seen in almost the states, whether Christian or Muslim or the Federation.